everyone, this is Ankit Agarwal. I am the CEO for Connectivity Solutions at Sterlite Technologies. Sterlite Technologies is a leading player globally in building digital networks around the world. We are extremely proud that we are one of the few manufacturers of optic fiber in the world. We believe that there's a tremendous need and potential in our country to build a capability on key principles of fiber, key principles of connectivity, and key principles around how do you build end-to-end connectivity for the country. With that, we have put some of our best content available on Sterlite Academy, which we believe will address the current challenges that are faced by the country and will provide tremendous job opportunities for the citizens and for the youth of our country. I am extremely excited about this academy. We believe that we'll create a tremendous platform for the youth of our country to get trained in the latest technologies related to broadband networks, which will then enable them to get a very fulfilling job and a career into the future. I encourage all of you to use the Sterlite Academy, and we wish you all the best in your career. Thank you.
As you know, STL is a world #1 in the space of building smarter networks. Through our cutting-edge technology, we bring integrated solutions that builds smarter networks beyond tomorrow. Beyond tomorrow is really our big focus as we move as an organization and step into the future. I'm sure all of you come to our academy with already a strong foundation. I guarantee you that picking up different courses from our academy is going to help upskill you or reskill you for capabilities that are critical for the future. This program is designed to be fine-tuned and tailored specifically to your needs, and the beauty is that this links back to our clear mission in the people dimension, which is to build capabilities of people in order to empower everyone to perform at their best potential.
At STL, the larger purpose is to transform everyday living by delivering smart networks, and the way we are engaged at the company is to be a data networks innovator. STL Academy brings huge focus on bringing this capability building and ecosystem specialist in the country, which is very key for delivering this larger purpose and vision for the company and the country. The way we are engaged with some of the projects in the states is to build this networks which will bring the broadband to the rural places, which is Telangana T-Fiber project. We are keenly involved in this project, and we are now considering this as a project where we can do some greatest technologies for deployment to make it faster and also make it reliable.
सर मुझे इस ट्रेनिंग से काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ है, जहाँ तक मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, क्योंकि जब हम साइट पे काम करते हैं कि और हमें इतना था कि हमने थोड़ा कुछ ऑप्टिकल कुछ सीखना है, तो इस ट्रेनिंग से हमने ऑप्टिकल के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है। तो ये चीज़ें हम सीख के जब फील्ड में जाएंगे तो हम इस चीज़ों को वहाँ पर
Happy to be nominated for this 5 days OSP training program, on-site plant supervisor training program, and happy to have completed the certification course. This course it imparts knowledge in depth. It has stages. The stages are that it's a 5 days of classroom training, followed by an exhaustive 1 day of the practical session of how to do splicing and how to use a power meter on the field. The trainers were very professional. They had covered all the topics right from what is optical fiber to the cabling to the trenching, that is what is done on the field. They could answer each and every question of what we had, and we're lucky to be here and being the first batch of the trainers. It's a privilege for us. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
STL Academy, when started in STL, I thought it's just going to be developing some ground force teams, upscaling them to use them on the field. It has developed not just from the basic field courses, it has gone into collaborations with premier institutes like IIM Calcutta, getting courses from different universities through EDX and various other modules even from the companies like IBM giving us courses on cloud database. These are just to name a few, and the list goes on and on. I think STL Academy is doing a great work not only in STL but also providing trainings to our telcos and their members, upgrading them to the recent requirement of education and the skills. I wish STL Academy a great future, and thank you for making me learn new things every day. Thank you.
And our keen interest is that whatever we do in this business, it goes back to the society, and it is actually helps the next generation teams to take a best advantage of this.
So come in, enjoy the learning journey, and I wish you every luck and best wishes as you pick up new skills to build beyond tomorrow.